This is how download mikrotik on your Windows. First, search mikrotik on your browser, click on Download on official site. Then download CD image on X186. Then you need a VirtualBox on your PC. Link download in description. Open your VirtualBox, press New and select folder as you want. And select Type to Other and Version Other, 64-bit. Next until created. And then click Setting, go to System, and select Hard Disk and put it in the top. Then go to Storage and select Empty and click on Disk, then use your mikrotik CD image file. Then click at Network tab. In Adapter 1, change into Bridged Adapter. And in Adapter 2, turn on and change mode into Host-Only Adapter. Then click OK and start. And this is process for installing mikrotik. Click I to install and press Y. Then press Enter to reboot. The default login is admin, and password is blank. Enter to continue. Press No for View Software License. Enter to continue and set new password for your mikrotik as you want. And mikrotik is downloaded in your VirtualBox. And this how to open mikrotik VirtualBox on Winbox. First, you need a Winbox download at description. Open your Winbox and click Neighbors. And select your mikrotik MAC address and log in as LN mikrotik VirtualBox. And click Connect. And this is GUI of mikrotik in the Winbox. You can change your identity. Click System and click Identity. And change what do you want and apply and OK. And that's it for this video.